Hello, welcome back to my YouTube channel, Just for Math. In this video, I want to talk about some laws of indices. Actually, I'll be discussing the power law, and the distributive law. Alright, now by the power law, when you have a term, say a to some power m enclosed within the bracket with another power n outside the bracket. By the power law of indices, to simplify this, you open the bracket, this becomes a raised to power m times n. Alright, now by extension, when you have two terms in the bracket, say ab to the power of m, okay, the power will be distributed. If you have the intention to simplify this further, it means you have to distribute the power so that you have this as a to the power of m times b to the power of m. Also, if a is raised to some power r and b is raised to some power p with the power m outside the bracket, you also distribute this power m so that your answer will be a to the power of, that looks like 9. So this will be a to the power of rm times b to the power of pm. Alright, don't forget, this is what is referred to as the power law of indices and the distributive law of indices. So why don't we see some application? Let's apply what we've learned. Alright, now here's a question. If it is given that 2 to the power of x times 3 to the power of y is equal to 24 to the power of 6, determine the numerical value of x minus y. Alright, let's solve this. That is 2 to the power of x times 3 to the power of y equal to 24 to the power of 6. Okay, what I intend to do is to simplify the expression or the term at the right hand side of the equation, that is 24. I want to express 24 to be a product of 2 and 3, and to do that we know that 8 times 3 is equal to 24. So I'm going to write 24 as 8 times 3 because 24 is raised to the power of 6. It means this product will also be raised to the power of 6. That will be the first step. The second step is to express 8 to be in terms of 2. Alright, and to do that, this is going to be 2 to the power of 3 times 3 to the power of 6, because 8 is 2 times 2 times 2 is going to be equal to 8, right? Okay, so it means you've been able to express 24 to be a product of 2 and 3. That is 2 raised to the power 3 times 3. That is equal to 24. Alright, now by the distributive law of indices, the next step I'm going to take is to distribute this power, to distribute 6. Okay, and that will be equal to 2 to the power of 3 times 6 according to the product law of indices times 3 to the power of 6. And here we have this to be equal to 2 to the power of 18, because 3 times 6 is 18, times 3 to the power of 6. This makes sense, right? Okay, now since 2 to the power of x times 3 to the power of y is equal to 2 to the power of 18 times 3 to the power of 6, it implies that the value of x must be equal to 18, while the value of y will be 6, so that the value of x minus y will be equal to 18 minus 6, which is equal to 12. Okay, so that brings us to the end of this solution. So what you've seen so far in this video is that when you have an expression with a power in a bracket and another power outside the bracket, you open up the powers, open up the bracket and multiply the powers. That is according to the product law of indices. And also, if you have two terms in the bracket with a power outside the bracket, you distribute the power. So that is according to the distributive law of indices. Okay, so with this I'm going to stop at this point. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget that to see more interesting video like this, you have to subscribe to this YouTube channel, and don't forget to turn on the notification button to get notified whenever a new video is posted. And also remember to like and share this video. Okay, thank you for watching. Have a wonderful day. Goodbye.